how to recover your disabled Instagram account. Now this is a very simple process. So before moving on with that, if you're new to our channel, go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Now let's start. First, what you might want to do is open up your web browser, and after you open your web browser, search for search for disabled Instagram account. After you search that, you'll see an Instagram link right there. Click on that and then this page will open up. Now what you need to do here is, there you can see this visit this page right here in the blue. Click on that and then you'll be redirected to this page. Now here you'll see several options. What you want to click on is my account was disabled. After that, tap on next and then just type in your username, your phone number or your email. That will help identify your account. And after you do that, click on next and then this will send the information to Instagram and they will solve the problem. But if this does not solve your problem, go again back to this page right here and then go right here that says asks if this article was helpful. Click on no, type another and then you can type your problem right here. After you type and describe your problem completely and inform them that clicking on visit this page and creating a report did not work, and then submit this report again, and that should fix your problem and your disabled Instagram account should be working again. So that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching.